promise you made lived in my head, but none of them sounded to be true. Your love hit hard like a runaway train, sweet for a second, then forever gone. Deception is over, no lies heard again. Everything lasted maybe too long. You called me a fire, a dangerous flame. Said I burn wild, that I'm too free. However you love me for what I am, for you instead, no love was in me. I packed my pain and left you the noise. All your talk, I left it behind. I'm leaving now, my final choice. I'm done with men of your kind. Your face cracked when I walked away. Guess truth don't flatter your pride at all. I don't need closure, I don't need to stay. I'm leaving this stage, I'm done with this role. Freedom is doing good to my heart, shakes the dust off my weary soul. Now talk to yourself, clever and smart. The noise you do, I hear not at all. Pack my pain and left you the noise. All your talk, I left it behind. I'm leaving now, my final choice. I'm done with men of your kind. Of your kind.